Calculating your personal income tax might seem daunting at first, but it's incredibly important for anyone looking to take control of their financial health. Whether you're receiving a paycheck, running a small business, or juggling multiple streams of income, understanding how to accurately calculate your taxes can save you a lot of stress and possibly money. So let's get into it and become tax calculation pros together. First things first, let's talk about what income tax is. Essentially, it's a tax that governments impose on income generated by businesses and individuals within their jurisdiction. By law, taxpayers must file an annual tax return to determine their tax obligations. Step 1. Understand your taxable income. Your taxable income isn't just your monthly salary. It includes all your earnings. That is, your salary, benefits, and possibly other income streams like dividends from investments. But you can also reduce this amount by applying deductions, which include certain expenses that the law considers non-taxable. Step 2. Calculate your gross taxable income. Once you've added up all your sources of income and applied your deductions, you get what's known as your gross taxable income. This is the figure you will use to calculate how much tax you owe. Step 3. Apply the correct tax rates. In Nigeria, we use a graduated tax scale. This means that different portions of your income are taxed at different rates, increasing as your income increases. Let's break down these rates. For example, if your gross taxable income falls into the second tax bracket, only the income that exceeds the first bracket limit is taxed at the lower rate. The rest is taxed at the higher rate. This ensures that everyone pays a fair amount of tax relative to their income. Step 4. Subtract tax credits and withholdings. Next, subtract any tax credits you are eligible for. This can include things like childcare credits or credits for education expenses. You should also subtract any taxes that have already been withheld from your salary by your employer. Step 5. Calculate your next tax payable. The final step is simple. Subtract your credits and prepaid taxes from your tax obligation. The result is your net tax payable. If the number is negative, you might be due for a refund. And there you have it. Calculating your personal income tax might seem complex, but breaking it down into these steps makes it manageable. Remember, staying informed and organized is key to handling your taxes like a pro. If you have any questions or need a bit more guidance, don't hesitate to seek advice from a tax professional. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Until next time, keep taking charge of your finances.